Hello, my name is Honor Fisher, and I am the Northwest Regional Coordinator and Tribal Liaison for the state of New Mexico's Aging and Long-Term Care Ombudsman Program. The Ombudsman Program utilizes people like myself, as well as volunteer ombudsmen, to advocate for the rights of residents of long-term care facilities. What is a long-term care facility? They are nursing homes and assisted living. Residents of these facilities have rights that are guaranteed to them by the federal nursing home reform law. This law states that residents are allowed to have rights that give them dignity and self-determination while living in these facilities that they call home. I'm going to be talking to you about two of the different rights that I have worked on with volunteers and residents to ensure that their needs are being met. The first is the right to self-determination. This includes a choice of activities, schedules, healthcare, and providers, including attending physicians, reasonable accommodations of needs and preferences, the ability to participate in developing and implementing a person-centered plan of care that incorporates personal and cultural preferences, the ability to have choice about designating a representative to exercise his or her rights, and the ability to organize and participate in resident and family groups, as well as to request, refuse, and/or discontinue treatment. I had a family reach out to me because they were having issues with a facility that was not allowing them to bring in traditional medicines and items for a resident to be able to have ceremony. I worked with the family in reaching out to the facility and stated that the resident did have the right to practice religious freedom, and that included traditional items and medicines for ceremony. I educated the facility on what that meant and was able to get this resolved. The family was very happy with the outcome because the resident was able to be practicing their traditional ceremonies as well as to receive traditional medicines. The second that I'm giving you is the right to raise grievances. And that is the ability to present grievances without discrimination or retaliation, or the fear of it. The ability to have prompt efforts by the facility to resolve grievances and provide a written decision upon request, and the ability to file a complaint with the Long-Term Care Ombudsman Program and/or the state survey agency. I received a call from a resident who stated that they were having issues with getting showers in a timely manner. After discussing it with the resident who wanted to file a complaint, I did go to the facility and talk to other residents and ask them how they were doing and how they felt about their needs being met. There were a lot of residents who stated that they were having issues with getting showers on a timely basis. So I did reach out to the facility and talk to them about it and stated that I was concerned because I had received some complaints about showers not being given. The facility told me that they would go ahead and they would work on trying to get that taken care of and do better by the residents. While I understood that they were doing their best, I did open a complaint and pushed it forward and sent it on to the Department of Health on behalf of the residents, with myself being the complainant. And from there, the Department of Health did their investigation and made their determinations on whether or not there needed to be citations issued. We like to do things that are able to keep residents safe and to make sure that their needs are being met because this is their home. This is not just a place that they go and they stay for a little bit. This is the place that they call home. And we want to ensure that their rights are being met and that they feel that they are doing and receiving everything that they deserve. I would also like to say that I would like to see people who are interested in becoming volunteers reach out to us. We could use more volunteers. It is a very rewarding process, and our residents love having ombudsmen go in and talk to them. So if you feel like you could do this, please, by all means, reach out. Thank you, and have a good day.